This is a police officer who committed the offense and ran away.
Yes.
He did not report the matter, and it occurred within the Kiambu police station area. He is an officer whom we believe has done some interference with the firearm issued by the government of Kenya. And we also believe that he is in a position even to interfere with the witnesses in this matter. The witnesses were mostly civilians. We shall be performing other police procedures, and therefore we request that the respondent be remanded at Kiambu police station for a period of 14 days from now.
Kant has brought the instant application dated the 28th of May, seeking to have the respondent detained for 14 days to enable him conclude his investigations. According to the application, the period to conclude the investigation had not been adequate, and therefore the request to detain him for 14 days. Further, there was a likelihood that the respondent would interfere with the witnesses. Those were the grounds set in therein. The respondent, through his counsel, opposed the application. He prayed that the respondent be released on bail / bond terms. In the alternative, he be held for a lesser period of time rather than the days sought by the applicant.
Hi, now I can